Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest oven baked chicken wings. Let's get started. Alright guys, so let's get started. Here I have my chicken wings already washed, and I'll be using a little bit of salt, bouillon, black pepper, garlic and onion powder, some rotisserie chicken seasoning, a little bit of Japanese barbecue sauce and regular barbecue sauce, as well as some fresh green seasoning. So basically what I did was added all of the ingredients to my chicken and mix well to combine. This is a super simple recipe. Anyone can make this, guys. You just have to find the ingredients. If you cannot find the Japanese barbecue sauce, it's okay to add a little extra regular barbecue sauce. So once you're done, you want to at least let this sit and marinate for about 2 hours. Then you want to transfer it to a large baking dish, and you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake this uncovered for 1 hour. After about an hour, this is what it's looking like. You want to go in and baste it with the juices because it will look a bit dry because we baked it uncovered. You want to baste it with the juices, serve and enjoy. I did serve mine with some rasta pasta and some baby bok choy, and it was absolutely divine. I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.